A middle-aged woman is playing with two small dogs at a cafe.
I've always loved animals, especially dogs, because they have helped humans for thousands of years, living with us and making our lives better. Hello, I am Dawn Joy Leong. I am autistic and I had an autism assistance dog.
Interview shot of Dawn Joy at another spot in the same cafe.
As a young child, I struggled with general social norms which just did not make very logical sense to me. For example, telling social lies is more acceptable than honest truth. I also struggled with hypersensitivity to light, sound, smells, tastes, and textures which could make me feel very sick. I only found out I am autistic when I was in my early 40s.
Montage of Dawn Joy and old photos with the late Lucy Like a Charm in various places.
I did not know very much about other assistance dogs until I embarked on my PhD scholarship in Sydney, Australia in 2012. That was when I met Lucy Like a Charm. Lucy was rescued from the cruel greyhound racing industry and became my autism assistance dog, helping me with my sensory anxieties. Lucy would indicate to me whenever she sensed that I was becoming overwhelmed. By giving me warnings, Lucy helped prevent sensory meltdowns so I could focus better on my work and daily tasks. We graduated together in 2016. When I returned to Singapore with Lucy, she was the only autism assistance dog. In fact, there were no other assistance dogs in Singapore apart from seeing eye dogs for the blind. I wanted people with other disabilities to know the wonderful benefits of assistance dogs.
Dawn Joy is looking at the Canine Assistance website on her tablet.
So, together with a few like-minded friends, I co-founded Canine Assistance, a charity that promotes social acceptance and assistance dogs for persons with various disabilities.
Animation sequence of the ways that an autism assistance dog supports their handler.
Autism assistance dogs can recognize and provide warnings for early signs of sensory overload, thus preventing meltdowns.
Once, at an important meeting, I was trying so hard to focus on the discussion that I was unaware of my increasing heart rate, blurring vision, and throbbing headache because the lights in the room were too bright. Lucy got up from her mat beside me, nudged me, and tugged at her leash. I then realized the bright lights were making me feel unwell, and I requested for them to be dimmed, and we could continue the meeting without further incident.
Autistic people experience a great deal of anxiety. Autism assistance dogs are trained to give deep pressure therapy, which is sometimes called grounding, by resting their head, paws, or body on the handler to help calm them.
Another time, Lucy and I were at a supermarket trying to buy some fruits. I suddenly became overwhelmed by the noisy crowd and felt dizzy and sick. I quickly sat down on the floor and Lucy put her body over my legs to stabilize and calm me, thus preventing a full severe meltdown.
Autistic people thrive on regular routines. An assistance dog helps to establish daily routines of mutual caring.
Lucy helped me establish a routine of caring for each other. She woke me up at the same time every morning. We would go out for our morning walk, then eat breakfast together. I would wipe her and brush her teeth, and then shower myself and get us both ready for the day's work. I learned to care for myself while also caring for Lucy. When Lucy is happy and healthy, she can perform her tasks better to help me. It is a meaningful and practical partnership.
All types of bona fide assistance dogs, including autism assistance dogs, are extremely well behaved in public. Assistance dogs that Canine Assistance provide are internationally accredited and extensively trained. To uphold their excellent behavior and assistance skills, assistance dogs from Canine Assistance will undergo a yearly public access test.
Interview shot of Dawn Joy in the same cafe.
Lucy like a charm helped me live my best life in a way that no human could do.
Dawn is smiling and stroking a little brown poodle.
She is now no longer with me, but her gift of love, dignity, and empowerment is everlasting. In her honor and memory, I want to help other autistic people discover the life-changing love of autism assistance dogs.
Help Dawn Joy and others like her in the disabled community have their own assistance dog. Assistance dogs make the impossible possible.